Rappa glow, lighting up the street when we roll. Rappa glow, feel the fire burning in the soul. Rappa glow, everywhere we go we steal the show. Rappa glow, yeah we rise and never slow. Shining like a dream in the midnight air. Spotlight hitting and they stop to stare. Energy high and we taking it higher. Hearts on the beat like a burning fire. Stepping in the zone, I'm a heavy hitter. Every single move making big waves quicker. Rappa glow mode, yeah I'm built like a winner. City on my back and the lights get dimmer. When I walk in, I define that spark. Let the bass hit loud, shake the whole damn park. Rhythm in my veins, never losing my mark. I glow so bright, I can shine in the dark. Rappa glow, lighting up the street when we roll. Rappa glow, feel the fire burning in the soul. Rappa glow, everywhere we go we steal the show. Rappa glow, yeah we rise and never slow. Voices in the crowd calling out my name. Every little step playing in the fame. Dreams in the sky and I chase it all night. Glow in my heart like a city of light. Let me drop one time, let the rhythm unfold. Flow too clean and the bars too bold. Never back down, yeah I break that mold. Rappa glow wave, watch the story get told. Power in the beat and it runs through me. Locked on the path where I'm meant to be. Every day grinding, no limit I see. Glow on my name like a legacy. Running through the neon lane, glowing through the joy and pain. We don't ever fade away. Rappa glow forever stay.